Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm Colt Joseph. Welcome to the video. And as you can see right here, we're looking at the Bitcoin chart. We are on the Bitcoin weekly chart. As you can see, we have had a 9 red candles in a row streak, which is a new record for Bitcoin, but we just broke it. The previous record, I believe, was what, 7 red candles in a row? And now this is 9, so it's a pretty decent jump. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this last week just solidified as a green candle. I mean, just barely. But now we're currently on the next green weekly candle, and it's pumping up quite nicely. Bitcoin recently just had a pump in the last couple hours to 31,421. And actually, everything in the market is having a nice little pump right now. Mainly because, like I've said in previous videos, everything follows Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin is a megalodon, especially in the cryptocurrency world. I'm strictly talking cryptocurrency. Ethereum is up 6.95%. BNB is up 4.53%. Cardano's up 14%. Damn, okay. XRP is up 3.59%. Solana's up 12%. Tron's up 5%. Avalanche is up 10%. Polygon Matic is up 10%. So this is how we love to see it. You know, we love to see the green. We love to see the market pumping upwards instead of down, constantly down. But this does mean we are running out of time to throw money in to invest right now while the market's down low. I mean, we don't know if it's for sure found its bottom or not. So I'm not a financial advisor and definitely don't go invest because I'm saying to, or not. I'm not even saying to, because I'm just talking about this in general. Do your own research, make your own educated decisions. You might want to just start buying with small amounts to, you know, average yourself into the market in case we do go up or down. Or definitely don't just throw everything you want to invest in at one price, like right now, because you don't know. Then it could drop down. Bitcoin could drop down to 12,000 or 20,000, 12,000, wherever it goes. You know what I mean? It's not looking good for Bitcoin in general. But you want to invest smartly. I have been daily cost averaging myself into the market for a while. When Bitcoin was up at 40,000, 45,000, I was not investing in any of these other coins really at all. I have literally waited until we fell down to 30,000, and that's when I started buying into all the coins that I want to hold for long term. Okay, I knew we're at a lower price. I don't know if we're at the bottom or not, but I started averaging myself in, buying small amounts on a more regular basis rather than a bunch at once. And then I said, obviously, while the market was just straight falling though, like falling day after day after day after day after day, this is the daily chart for Bitcoin. When it was falling day after day, no, I was not averaging myself in. But when it started to consolidate like this, because you never know when it's doing a consolidation like this, if it's gonna break upwards or break down, right? You just never know. I'm gonna wait to see what happens here before I really buy any more in currently. But we are very, very low in the grand scheme of things of where Bitcoin was not that long ago, or where the market was in general. Look at this. For the cycle of Bitcoin, we are currently low, low, low right now. Sitting down at 30,000, and we are having a triple bounce. 1, 2, 3. So if this is anything like day trading, when I was day trading, which it is the exact same thing because it's charts and crypto, and my point is, when I was day trading, this is a common pattern to see a very, very heavy push to the upward side and usually break all-time highs of the previous. So if that does happen here, we are definitely going to have a high possibility of seeing all-time highs, and this is going to be incredible for Bitcoin. But then again, we might still have a breakdown all the way down to 12, 10,000, 11,000. There's a lot of people that are calling 11,000, 12,000. And if you look at a true 80% drop from its all-time high, then it would be down around this range, around 10, 11, 12,000. From its all-time high. So this is still something that is in the books. It's very possible. Hopefully it doesn't happen. I mean, if it happens, a lot of crazy things in the market are going to happen, but we are going into a bear market, or are in a bear market, and we'll just see how long this lasts and how much worse everything gets. I don't know. All we can do is just see. But Bitcoin does seem to be having a nice little consolidation point at 30,000. It hasn't been able to break it fully yet. We dropped down to 25,000. I think it actually hit 24 for a second. At about 25,000, so it dropped down to about 25,000. It wicked down to 25,000, but we've stayed consolidating between about 28 and between about 28,000 and we go top to about 32,000. Okay, so we are currently still in that consolidation zone. We recently just had a candle that looks very similar to the one we're having right now, and we fell all the way back down immediately after. So I don't know. We'll just see what's happening. It's currently breaking this trend line. This trend line is an hourly trend line, so we'll go to the hourly. This trend line is an hourly trend line, and we broke it, had some red candles, and then solidified a green candle on the other side of it. So we have officially broken this trend and are moving upwards. But we'll see what happens. Either we're going to push up, or we might have another fakes out, drops down in here, and maybe even stays within the consolidation zone again, or maybe drops down, and you just never know. Okay, the chart can literally do anything. We're just observing. I'm telling you guys these are the scenarios that can happen from what is happening right now, and we just got to see what Bitcoin wants to do, what the market wants to do in general. I just telling you in general, when everyone is scared in the market, everybody is telling you, don't invest, you're gonna lose all your money. Well, look at the charts, look at where we are, look at the cycle, look at the history of how everything goes up and goes down, goes back up, goes down. We're down low. We want to buy in while we are down low. That's what the most successful people in trading and investing do. They buy when the market is down low and they sell when the market's up high. Okay, so if you buy any cryptocurrency right now that is in the top 50 that doesn't crash or die in the next 5 years, and you just hold it for 5 years, you're going to be happy. You're going to be happy, and you're going to have made some money. Okay, I can almost guarantee that, as long as you don't pick a stupid coin, which there are stupid coins, but not really in the top 50. So just do some research, pick a coin, pick a couple coins, diversify, particularly diversify, because you never know, because one can crash, kind of like a Terra Luna thing. Definitely diversify. I literally gotten 5 people in my personal life to start investing in crypto, and I guarantee you, if they just stick with it and they hold what they bought, it's going to change their lives too. Okay, I would not tell you guys anything on this channel that I don't think is accurate, or think that is, I'm not going to tell you guys anything that isn't going to help you. I just want to see everyone around me succeed. I'm not asking anything from anybody. Everybody I talk to, I try to give advice on like questions they ask when it comes to crypto. I'm not just like throwing it in their face or anything, but if they ever ask questions, I tell them what I think is best and what I think. I do the research. I sit here for literally like 8 hours a day researching this shit, watching the charts constantly all the time. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, I know what is going on in the crypto market. I understand this. A lot of people have been successful in the crypto market, and most of the people that are consistently successful all do roughly the same things. Okay, the same strategies. It's not that hard to figure out. You just got to do the research, and that is buy low, sell high. We are in the bear market. We are in the lowest part. We are in a huge drawdown from all-time highs. We're low. Now's the time to start averaging in. If we go lower, keep averaging in. The lower we go, the more I buy. Seriously. So just take that with a grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decisions. If you got fake kids and house and payments and car payments and all this shit, I get it. Okay, I currently have my car paid off. I have everything. I don't really have any bills right now. I have the ability to just kind of not spend money on anything but investing, and that's what I'm doing right now. And that's my personal choice. I want to just continue to put out the videos I'm putting out on the channel, on my main channel. Getting started in crypto. It's basically a playlist of just the most basic things of how to get people into the crypto market, because I don't know if you guys have tried in your personal life, but anybody you talk to, almost everyone you talk to, doesn't know anything about crypto or has heard of Bitcoin and doesn't have any. Every now and then you will run into somebody that is into crypto already, but the amount of people that you talk to that have no idea about any of it compared to the people that do is insane. It's literally insane. Seriously, if you haven't tried in your personal life, just ask a question like, yo, you guys investing in crypto? And see how many people tell you no, or tell you that you'll lose all your money if you do, or tell you that they've heard of it but they've just never done it or something like that, compared to the people that are like, oh yeah, I have some, I bought some, I have a MetaMask. Like, it's crazy. Almost nobody really even knows about this shit. So I'm making a Getting Started in Crypto, an entire series of how to take somebody that has never even really heard of crypto much, just heard of it basically, and show them how to get started and get going in the crypto world and start investing on their own in the DeFi side of things. That's not using Coinbase, that's not using these stupid exchanges, that's doing it on the DeFi side, a MetaMask, swapping with like PancakeSwap or like Uniswap or something like that, like teaching them important things like what's a hardware wallet, like a Ledger X, how does it work, things like that. So if you guys see those videos, and you're not here for those, you're here for the the regular videos that I do. The regular videos are still going to continue every single day. These are just going to be on the side, like double uploads I'm throwing on, so don't worry about it. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video when something interesting happens in the crypto world. Yeah, I'm Colt Joseph. Peace.